Hello, today we will guide you through how to make a collage in Adobe Express. In the next few minutes, we'll open Adobe Express, find a collage template that fits your needs, bring it into the editor, and swap in your own photos so the layout becomes uniquely yours. First, open Adobe Express in your browser. Once the home screen loads, you'll see a navigation panel along the left side. This is where you can quickly jump into projects, brands, and most importantly for us, templates. Click Templates on the left panel. This opens a large library of pre-made designs. Templates save time because the layout, spacing, and basic styling are already handled for you, so all you need to do is personalize the content. Next, click the search bar at the top. It's typically centered near the upper area of the page and is the fastest way to narrow down options in the extensive template gallery. Type the word collage into the search bar. You'll see a variety of collage styles appear: minimal grids, dynamic cutouts, and themed arrangements for social posts, flyers, and more. Browse for a moment and consider the number of photos you plan to use, the orientation you need, and where the final image will be shared. Choosing a template that already suits your purpose reduces editing later and keeps proportions consistent. When you spot a sample collage template you like, click it to open its details. Take a quick look at the preview to confirm the layout and photo count match your vision and that the aspect ratio fits your destination, like a square for a feed or a vertical format for stories. Then, click Customize Template. Adobe Express will open the design in the editor, placing all elements on the canvas and listing them in the Layers panel. From here, you can start replacing the placeholder images with your own. Now change the picture. Click any photo in the collage to select it, then use the Replace option to choose an image from your device, your uploads, or available libraries. You can also drag and drop an image directly onto a placeholder, and it will snap into position. After replacing, adjust the crop and focal point so the subject is centered and important details aren't cut off. Use the on-canvas handles to scale and watch for alignment guides to maintain clean spacing. If an image looks soft or pixelated, try a higher resolution version for a sharper result. For visual harmony, aim for consistent lighting and color tones across photos and vary close-ups with wider shots to keep the layout engaging. Repeat this process for each placeholder until every spot is filled with your photos, then take a final pass to fine-tune balance and breathing room so the collage feels cohesive and polished.